Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Let's continue to talk about the euro currency. Well, market has accomplished our yesterday's trading plan because, as you remember, we discussed the area of 144.50 as the area where market could turn to some retracement, and the potential level where we should watch for some possibility for entering on the long side of the market's 143.30. So that has happened. Well, this level of resistance was explained by daily report. It's right here, blue line on the chart, and 1618 extension for this A, B, C bottom pattern. If you remember, we said that we could use extensions for the estimation of resistances, and in that way we could allow that C point stands outside of AB swing. So in general, C point should be inside of the AB when we calculate some extension with the targets or profit taking objectives. But when we calculate resistance or support, in this case the C point could stand not far from the AB, in our case from A point. Okay, so that has happened. Market hit it and turns to the retracement. This in general the highway pattern that tells us, candlestick pattern that tells us that market indecision, and that's could be easily explained because yesterday has been released very bad with the down surprise data on the non-commercial employment data from the ADP agency. Okay, that was very bad data, and the ISM index also was not impressive. So that's why market totally leads to some retracement to the downside. Initially euro has shown some thrust to the upside, but then market had shifted to some profit taking and leads to retracement. Well, in general, of course, the major participants await for tomorrow's non-farm payrolls release, and although it expected around 250,000, well, I think that we could be aware of the negative surprise due to some problems on the United States on the south of the country and to the collapse in Japan. So many companies that working with the Japan goods now has some problems with the employment. So in general we could expect some downside surprise in tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. But still market has reached that area 143.30, and let's take a look on the intraday charts to make some trading plan for the current day. I just want to remind you that our major target for the nearest time is 145.60 area, and this is the target of the weekly momentum trade that we have discussed almost during the month. On the 4-hour chart, what do we see? First of all, market has retested totally disrespected area when it has broken it to the upside, 143.30. Also, this is the previous highs right here. So you can see that market now hit it. 4-hour trend turns bearish and now stands it. So I do not see any significant patterns right here. Probably this is just the last engulfing pattern that is very well, but in general I can say that this is some significant moment. Probably I think that market hasn't finished yet with the retracement, and it hasn't shown us some significant patterns on some signal that could give us a lot of confidence that probably that is it. That's level that we should enter on the long side of the market. But yes, during the initial touch, market has held it and now shown some pullback. So if you have acted according to our trading plan and entering long from the 143.30, I suggest you to move your stops to the break-even, because now is a very tricky situation, and I think that you do not want to shift your profit trade to lose trade. Okay. Also, by the way, this is the 50% support of this nice thrust upside bar. So I suggest you to tighten your stops, because in general this could be the signs that probably market could continue some move lower. Okay, on the hourly chart, what do we see? And that's the explanation why I think that market could continue move to the downside. Take a look. Although the hourly trend has turned bullish, this is nice angle of piercing on the lines, but price action has very, say, corrective move. So that's not the impulse move, not the shift in the momentum of the downside. So when market shift momentum, it shows thrust bar to the downside, then thrust bar to the upside, then again. So it should be some solid strong bars in opposite directions. But this tells me that this is some kind of retracement or a part of the greater pattern. Okay. Also take a look that market will protect this consolidation, this lower border of this consolidation. So market has hit it currently. That's why I suggested to shift here, to move your stop loss to the profits if you're entering somewhere around 143.30 area. Okay. So probably market could show some butterfly buy or something in this area to confirm this 143.30 area for our entering on the long side of the market. This could be as follows. For instance, market shows left wing, right wing, hidden 618 expansion from this A, B, C top around 142.80 area. Okay, and that will give us sufficient confidence to enter on the long side of the market. But currently I do not see any significant pattern. So this is just a shallow retracement, some gradual move to the upside. This is not the start of the strong move to the upside. I need to see something more, okay, to enter on the long side of the market. This is not sufficient for me. Or probably we could see some, I don't know, maybe double top or double bottom or something in this area, some pattern that could judge us about the potential move to the upside. And that's what we should keep an eye during the current trading session and in the beginning of the Friday's trading session. Okay, so that's my point of view. Although market has hit our target around 43.30 and it shows some pullback to the upside, but I think that this is only due to the initial testing of the support. This is not the additional force that push market higher. This is just for respect of the support area. Well, that's why be careful with the long positions currently. Wait for the clear patterns. Well, I will try to, if I will see the nice pattern, I will try to announce it on the forum on the ForexPeaceArmy.com. So read our forum and be aware and be ready for the some patterns. But if market will finish this retracement only in that way, how it stands or how it is, well, probably it could accelerate to the downside with this ABCD move. Well, currently I do not see any significant pattern, and do not be hasty to enter on the long side of the market. If you are already long from the 143.30 area, then tighten your stop or move it even to the break-even point.